Hello everyone, this is Cooper from Land Pack Machinery. Today I will introduce our 8-lane liquid filling and packing machine. This machine is suitable for packing honey, sauce, milk, jelly, and so on. And this machine can make the pillow bag and small capacity bag. This machine consists of five parts. The liquid hopper, filling and measuring part, sealing and cutting structure, the fill putting structure, and the control systems. This is the first part, liquid hopper. The capacity of this hopper is 40 liters, and this is the material inlet. You can connect it to your production line. And this hopper has stirring and heating device. It can ensure the sticky liquid filling smoothly. The second part is filling and measuring structure. You can see here have 8 filling nozzles. That means it will produce 8 sachets each time. And the filling device is piston pump. It has high accuracy. The third part is sealing and cutting structure. Here have 8 bag formers. The function of the bag former is form the fill to the bag. And here is vertical sealing structure and horizontal sealing structure. Next, this is our fill pulling device. The fill width is selected according to the sachet width. The fill will be pulled running up to this area. The fill will running up to this area to finish printing. This is the Robin Code printer. One printer has 8 printing heads, so it can print 8 sachets at the same time. The whole machine is controlled by this touch screen, and the packing speed and bag width and other packing parameter can be set on this panel. And this machine max speed can reach to 280 liters each time. So if you want to increase your production capacity, this machine is your best choice. If you are interested in our packing machine, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching. Bye.